Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to add a contact in TenantCloud. To get started from your dashboard, just go over to the Contacts tab and select whether you want to add a tenant, an owner, or a service pro. Now, keep in mind that if you want to add a team member, that is a different type of contact that you will want to add via your settings menu and team administration. For this particular video, we're going to add a tenant as a contact. To add a tenant, simply go to Add a Tenant. Now, keep in mind, we do have another video that talks about how to do a bulk or mass import of contacts. In this particular video, we're just going to create a single contact, a single tenant. From here, it's going to ask you to enter in all of the information for the tenant, including perhaps a photo of the tenant, first name, last name, whether or not you want it to display as a company, the date of birth, an email address that you can connect with them on the TenantCloud platform, a phone number, address, emergency contact information, pets, vehicle, and any other relevant documents that may be associated with this particular contact. Now, if you ultimately want the tenant to be able to view the lease and to pay rent online, it is important that you add the email address. Don't worry if you forgot to add it the first time that you create the contact card. You will have the option to come back in and edit this tenant contact information at any time. So let's get started and add the information in for this particular tenant. All right, we have added all of the information in that we're going to add. Now let's go ahead and upload a profile photo for this tenant. All right, we have Tom, the tenant's photo uploaded, and we're ready to save their contact in the TenantCloud system. So we'll go ahead and select Create. Great, you have added a tenant contact. Now you have the option to move in the tenant where you can create a lease and set up online rent collection and share the lease with your tenant where they can also communicate with you via TC Messenger and submit maintenance requests and much more. Or you have the option to create another tenant. And that is how easy it is to add a contact in TenantCloud. To get started for free, just go to www.tenantcloud.com and click Sign Up Today.